All right, we ready to start vlogging this?
Yeah.
We're gonna go hunting for daddy-daughter birthday. Woo! All right, let's vlog this. Gonna get in the truck here. Gonna head to meet our buddy Dave for water hollow hunts. We're gonna shoot a ginormous ram right in the face. All right, this is literally like where we live now. It's like big city living, blah, 5-6 lane highways, like cars everywhere. So can't wait to get back to some place like where I grew up, kind of a redneck town. Yep. Okay, we finally made it here. Me and Paige, we're gonna walk up. So this is Dave. This is the camp, kind of a cool little setup here. He's got like some trophies. This is kind of what we're gonna be going after. We're actually looking for one of these with the bigger curls that come all the way around. So, and then he's got the side-by-side we're gonna be using to get up. But yeah, this is kind of the area where we're gonna be hunting. It's all these mountains right here behind his property. So there's a herd of them out there. We just gotta find them and find the one we want out of the herd. All right, just getting the load out, getting ready to go, getting all the bags packed and our guns loaded, and we'll be on the road in just a minute. All right, we're all loaded up. We got Paige and Dave and tripods, our scopes, packs. We're gonna try to head up the trails here and try to do a little locating.
It'll take a little while until they get up, going up that other side before you'll see them.
Okay. Okay. All right, Dave's just dropping me and Paige off. We got to get over to this other ridge line here, and that's where we're actually gonna set up and start trying to watch them and see if we can't get a good shot at them. So we're just gonna keep hiking out this way, and we're on foot now. We did actually spot a couple sweet looking ones. We got like a darker colored brown one and a lighter colored one. So we're gonna try to get up here and get a better look at them and see if we can't set up and maybe get a shot when they come around. Looks like we found a little goat trail right here anyways. All right, we're hoping that from where we saw them, they're gonna funnel up through this next canyon over here. And we'll try to set up and see if we can't get a shot at them when they come up through this canyon. Gonna try to, it's a pretty steep drop off here, so I'm gonna try to get to the edge and locate and see if I can see him coming up through the bottom here. All right, these guys aren't cooperating with us, so we're moving again. They've kind of, we thought they were going to come up the fence line, and then they came in behind us while we were looking at the fence line, and then they've went down again. So we're going to kind of go around the top up here, cross over, and see if we can't locate them and get a better shot at them. Over the river and through the woods. We're gonna get a good shot though. We're gonna get it recorded and we're gonna get a good shot. Paige is gonna commit her first murder. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Paige. Oh yeah, that's a nice ram. Look at the beard. All right, I'm gonna get some camera phone pictures here, babe. Okay. You know, for the gram and such.
Oh, it's got some blood on the shoes.
Want to drag him by the horns, but he's being a little bit of a butt. Okay, okay. I think we've got the system figured out now. The daddy-daughter drag right here.
Those do like hook onto your pants.
Yeah, I know. It's like
horns.
that's the thing, is the horns keep getting like stuck on your pants and stuff. All right, sit down. Oh, sorry. We're gonna get him down eventually.
Are you getting him right there?
Yeah. You want me to grab it?
Can you bring it
Yeah.
down this way?
Yeah, just down a little bit. Yeah. Nice girl. Nice. Yeah. It's a little bit of work dragging that down, huh?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Call that getting your mountain CrossFit on. Man, not only did we have an awesome time, but they brought us this cool meal. Home cooked dumplings, chicken and dumplings with rolls. Dave knows how to hook you up. Cookies, homemade cookies. I don't think we've had homemade cookies unless Callie makes them.
No.
Yeah, Dave's the man. It's crazy. We were looking around out here and Dave's got like, so like if you were to come down for a weekend, you see the big trailer down there. He's got a good number of trailer spots. So down here he's got
Six hookups.
six full hookup spots. Not full hookup, they don't have power, but they do have sewer and water. So man, you could really come out here for a weekend if you live further away than we do. We only live about an hour away from Dave right now, so we can drive here in a day. But if you lived further away, you'd definitely be able to bring your fifth wheel or your trailer and have a place to stay and get fed like a king. All right, so this is Dave from Water Hollow Hunts, and we just got here. We checked out his ranch, super cool. So one of the things that he was telling us that I thought was super cool is like not only is he's got like a certain area over here that you can see in the background, and he does a lot of hunts for people who are in wheelchairs and can't walk. And so the cool thing about that side of the property is he's got a lot of roads and it's kind of accessible, and he's got areas where they can set up. So if they're limited on their mobility, he's able to kind of push some of the goats across the mountainside, and by moving them across the mountainside over there, they're able to get shots and they don't have to travel a great distance. So have you done that quite a bit, Dave? Or?
We do.
Wow, that's cool. So yeah, hunts for all ages and abilities available out here. So come on out and check Dave out. We'll put his info somewhere up here so you can see it. But yeah, here's another look at the property and kind of some of the areas you can hike and hunt. And we got our ram in the back over there. We're gonna go take care of that here in a few minutes. All right, just getting ready to finish this up. Paige, did you have fun?
Yeah, that was awesome. I loved it.
Yeah, what did you think about like coming here and hunting versus going out and hunting in the mountains like we've done in the past?
I think there are good things about both, but I think it was a lot less stressful because when I went elk hunting, we were like 600 feet away, and this time we were like 50, so it was a lot easier to get a good shot. So
Yeah, we couldn't get closer than 600 yards, and so you were saying that was a lot more stressful,
Yeah.
and this made it a lot less stressful, especially for your
It's a
first
pretty
time.
good shot, yeah.
Nice.